Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a PostgreSQL database between servers with pg_dump step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have PostgreSQL installed on both servers. Connect to the source server where your database is currently hosted. Use the pg_dump command to export your database. Type pg_dump username h source_host d database_name fcf/path/to/backup/file.dump. Replace username, source_host, database_name, and /path/to/backup/file.dump with your actual values. Enter the password for your PostgreSQL user when prompted. Wait for the dump process to complete. Once completed, locate the backup file at the specified path. Now, connect to the destination server where you want to transfer the database. Transfer the dump file to the destination server using SCP or any preferred file transfer method. In your terminal, type scp/path/to/backup/file.dump username at destination_host/path/to/destination. Replace username and destination_host with your destination server's details. Log into the destination server using SSH. Once logged in, ensure PostgreSQL is installed on the destination server. Type pg_restore username h localhost d new_database_name /path/to/destination/file.dump. Replace username, new_database_name, and /path/to/destination/file.dump with your actual values. Create the new database if it does not already exist using the command created username new_database_name. Wait for the restore process to complete. Once finished, verify the data by connecting to the new database. Use the command psqlu username d new_database_name. Check if all tables and data have been transferred correctly. You have now successfully transferred your PostgreSQL database to a new server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.